Welcome to Auto Restore. In this guide, I will show you how to fix solo levering arise overdrive when it's not launching, not loading, lagging, string, or showing a black screen on your PC.
Fix 1. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click the game shortcut or executable. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if the game launches without issues. Fix 2. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Step 2. Right. Click your GPU update driver. Search automatically. Step 3. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Fix 3. Verify game files, Steam or launcher. Step 1. Open Steam, go to Library right. Click the game properties. Step 2. Go to Local Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Step 3. Wait for the process. Launch the game. Fix 4. Disable full screen optimizations. Step 1. Right. Click the game executable properties. Step 2. Go to Compatibility tab. Check Disable full screen optimizations. Step 3. Click Apply. OK. Launch the game. Fix 5. Adjust graphics settings. Step 1. Open the game. Go to Settings, Graphics. Step 2. Lower resolution, texture quality, and shadow effects. Step 3. Save changes and restart the game. Fix 6. Update Windows and DirectX. Step 1. Press Windows plus I update and security. Check for updates. Step 2. Install all pending updates. Step 3. Make sure DirectX is up to date. Search DXAG. Check version.